How do you solve this problem? Let's get answer in the comment box. Good day, viewers. You are welcome. We have f of 9x minus f of 7x equals 2x. So this is an interesting functional equations. So we are trying to look for f of x. So for all values of x, so in this problem, I'll be solving this step by step and also put a check at the end of this. So let's consider the solutions. So this system, looking at this side, is a polynomial functions. It's a linear polynomial functions. And suppose I try a polynomial solutions by assuming that if f of x equals a series of polynomial like a x raised to power n plus a n minus 1 x raised to power of n minus 1, and if it continues like this, then so with this I need a leading term. Let's say I focus more on the first term here, which is ax raised to power n, where a is a constant and not equals to 0. So we have f of x equals ax raised to power of n. So this is our leading term. Then if I start substituting the value of f of 9x and f of 7x. So for the first one, we have f of 9x. Anywhere I see x, I replace it with 9x. So we have a bracket 9x raised to power of n. Then also this gives us a bracket 9 raised to power n, then x raised to power of n. So for f of 7x, this equals a bracket 7x raised to power of n, and this gives us a bracket 7 power n x raised to power of n. If I subtract this from each other, we have f of 9x minus f of 7x. So this equals a bracket 9 raised to power n x raised to power n minus a bracket 7 power n x power of n. So this is what we have. Then factorizing this a out, in the bracket we have 9 power n x power n minus 7 power n x power of n. Again, x power n is common, so we have a bracket 9 power n minus 7 power n multiplied by x raised to power of n. So this is what we have. And everything here equals 2x. So we can just write this as a bracket 9 power of n minus 7 power n x raised to power n equals 2x. But the value of n here is an integer, the positive integer. And if I assume that if n here equals 1, then so here becomes a bracket 9 power 1 minus 7 power 1 multiplied by x raised to power 1 equals 2x. So next we have, for 9 power 1, that is 9, and 7 power 1 is 7. So this gives us a bracket 9 minus 7, that is 2, then multiplied by x power 1 equals 2 multiplied by x power of 1. Then by trying to compare the coefficients, first is 2 cancels 2. So here is ax power 1 equals x power of 1. So comparing the coefficients, a is 1. This shows that the value of a here equals 1. So since a equals to 1, then I'm going to stop here and let's see the general solution of this. Now, the equation here is linear. Suppose I set, let's say we have g of x to be equals f of x minus x. So this is a linear equation, and I want to make it in a general term. By substituting this into the original equations, so we are going to have, instead of f of x that we have, transferring this minus x into this side, so we are going to have f of x equals g of x plus x, and changing every single x to 9x as we have in the original equations, and also to 7x as we have in the original equations. We are going to have the first one as g of 9x plus 9x. Then we have minus open bracket g of 7x plus 7x. Then everything equals 2x. So moving on, by comparing this together, we have g of 9x paired with minus g of 7x, all this in bracket, then plus open bracket 9x minus 7x equals 2x. So next, we have to compare these coefficients, as we have to subtract this from each other. So here is g of 9x minus g of 7x plus 9x minus 7x is 2x equals 2x. So if 2x cancels 2x, this shows that g of 9x equals g of 7x. So this is for all values of x. And after getting this, suppose I let t to be equals to 7x. So if I let t to be equals to 7x, then we'll be having 9x to be equals to, we have 9 divided by 7 multiplied by t. And what's the purpose of this? I'm trying to look for a periodic functions. So with this, if I substitute back, we're going to have g of 9 divided by 7t equals g of t. So this is for all values of t. And with this, we have g as a periodic with multiplicative period of 9 divided by 7. And how can we derive that? So it's very simple. So g of x will be equals to g of 9 divided by 7, then all raised to power nx. So for all values of n. Then for every continuous function, so g is a constant. And so far g is a constant, so we can just deduce the value of f of x as x plus a constant. So therefore, the value of f of x equals to x plus c. And we can just try and verify here by checking if the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. So to check, so since we have f of 9x for the first one, so we have f of 9x, so equals 9x plus c, and also f of 7x equals 7x plus c. Subtracting c's from each other, so we have 9x plus c minus 7x minus c. So c cancelled c. Then 9x minus 7x equals 2x. The left hand side and the right hand side are equal. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.